What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. I think something that is very important to understand is the difference between meme coins and utility coins. And we will understand that by going through maybe one of the top meme coins here today, Pepe. What happened to Pepe and why are we not seeing as much conversation around it? And maybe I'm not seeing a lot because I've never been a large investor of Pepe. Right? I had some, I saw the growth, and I did want to invest at certain levels, but since I didn't get to those levels or I missed that opportunity, I always make it my mission to not buy at a higher level because I missed the opportunity, right? And that's been something that I've been working on because a lot of times I've chased something and saw it at a $2 billion market cap while I could have invested at a $200 million market cap. And then it gets up to a $2.5 billion market cap, but then decreases back down to a 1 billion or even hundreds of millions of dollars worth of a market cap, meaning that I lost money because I decided to chase it at a $2 billion market cap. I didn't want to do that with Pepe, so that's why I didn't buy any more. I still do have Pepe, it's just not a lot. And I'll go over exactly what I have, but I'll also talk about where Pepe is and maybe the mindset behind why maybe we're seeing some of these lower levels. And one is very simple. The other ones get a little bit more complex as we get into explanations. But before we get into that, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Don't forget about my link for BTCC. That link is in the description as well. It should be at the top of the description where you can get a 10% deposit bonus. You can get extra bonuses up to $10,055. Enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees. There's a lot of stuff that's going on with BTCC, so feel free to give that a look. It's going to be at the top of the description. And I've been using it for over a year, and it's been great. But Pepe, this is the topic of conversation, right? Um, Pepe is a top meme coin, not just because of its status, but also, or not just because of its market cap, but because of its status, right? It's considered in a lot of people's minds as an OG cryptocurrency, even though it wasn't around during the initial phase of meme coins, the Dogecoin and Shiba Inu phase, right? And the I'm trying to think of other ones for some reason. Drawing a blank. If I think of it, I'll get it. But basically, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin were the OGs, and they will always be the top meme coins. But Pepe has been considered as such, right? It's kind of this meme coin for this bull market. And we saw some amazing levels. We saw the growth that we've had. People have made so much money. They've reached out to me and said, look, I invested at Pepe when it was at 100,000 or $100 million market cap, or even less than that. And they made money all the way up to multiple billions of dollars worth of a market cap. We're talking about not only a 10x, but a 20, 30, 40, 50, 60x in some cases, up to a $6-ish billion market cap. Like, that's what's crazy. Seeing that level of growth in something that doesn't really do anything is what drives more people to it. But what happened to it since then? So we're going to talk about that. Let's go into Pepe really quick. It currently sits at a 0.00000503835. It's sitting at a 1.6 billion dollar market cap with over 500,000 holders. It also has 413 trillion coins in total supply, which is the circulating supply as well. Now, the idea of these meme coins were always about trying to be wealthy or become profitable without getting to a penny or a dollar, which you're not going to, right? If you get to a dollar here, it would be a $413 trillion market cap. We can count that out. It's not going to happen. If you get to a penny, it would be a $4 trillion market cap. You can count that out. So, you would need to see burns that are going to happen with it, or you would just see the price rise based on what the market cap will rise to. And we essentially saw that, right? Getting to a, I believe, $6 billion market cap. Let's see what the highest point says over here. I know it's not going to be as accurate because it's a long-term thing. But it says we're looking at about a $9 billion market cap. I didn't think it was that high, but getting up to higher and higher prices, higher and higher market caps, which is amazing. People making, I guess at that point, it would be a 100x on their investment from a $100 million market cap all the way up to a almost $10 billion market cap. That's amazing. But this is what it is, right? It's a coin to where, or a token to where you're more focused on what you can gain out of it investment wise rather than what it does. And I've become a bigger fan of investing into things that do something and are going to be something, and I can explain why the price is going up. You can't really explain why the price goes up for Pepe besides nostalgia, right? Not nostalgia. Fear of missing out. FOMO. That's the word I was looking for. So FOMO. Many people feel like they're going to miss out on a larger amount of growth. The fact that it gets to a multiple billion-dollar market cap. They feel like they're investing into an OG meme coin, so they can't lose with it. But it's not to say it's a failure because it's come down here, right? I kind of want to explain or understand what's going on with Pepe now. Because while it was at a $10 billion market cap, apparently, it's now at a $1.5 billion market cap. So what's going on? Well, what's going on is the market, right? The market in general is not looking great overall. For altcoins, for Bitcoin, for anything, it's not necessarily looking great. So seeing Pepe come down to a $1.6 billion market cap, it's not ridiculous to say that that was the case, right? XRP came down, Litecoin came down, Avalanche, Solana, everything in the market. So it's not just a Pepe thing. However, when you look at the long-term holdability to it, is there any? And that's where I start to kind of push that, right? I think you can gain something, and many people have gained something, but why has it come back down this far? A $10 billion market cap to a $1 billion market cap. You're dropping down to, instead, if you're at 100%, you're dropping down to 15% of that. That is an insane drop compared to anything else that's really in the market. That's a crazy drop. You haven't seen many that have dropped by, let's say it's 85%. It's a lot, right? But it's because of what people do to it, right? The whole reason for holding Pepe is to gain something out of it. And what happens when you do gain what you want? When you feel like it got to a ridiculous price point that you now can profit from, what do as a holder? Sell it, right? So you start to sell it, you start to see that money come off, and people are gaining profit. It's great. And then the holders are left holding at those points. And then now you are looking at it and going, okay, it can still get to a $40 billion market cap, $50 billion market cap. While that's true, it can. It's just now when you get into the next push, are we going to have something bigger of a meme coin that takes that place, right? If you go over to, overall markets, go to Coin Market Cap, and you look for meme coins, if I could find it. If you look for meme coins, and you look at the capitalization, you look at things that are here that are worth more. You have Dogecoin, you have Meme Core that's up to $5.5 billion, Shiba Inu that's at 3.6, Pepe that's fourth on the list at 1.5. Are we going to see Official Trump or Bonk or Pudgy Penguins or something else kind of take that place and be or feel like it is an OG cryptocurrency? Now, in my opinion, I don't think so. I think you'll always see Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Pepe as kind of those, while you do have some OG, Floki is what I was thinking of in the beginning of this video, while you do have some like, Bonk that can push up to those levels, I think, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu are the OGs. Pepe is more of an acting OG cryptocurrency, but it still gets treated as if it is. So I think it's interesting. If you're looking for news on Pepe, you're not going to get much news besides what the price action is doing, market sentiment, not really on how it's going to be used. So you can't really push that. And you can't really say Pepe is going to be worth this because it's doing so much for the world. No, it's a meme coin. and it's whether you see the hype and volatility, the high volatility still in it, which I do, or if you don't. I mean, that's up to you on whether you are going to be a longer investor in it. But I think if I had to put an end on this, or an end cap on what I'm getting at here, is that Pepe is a meme coin for, it's a coin for one reason, right? And that's to make money out of it. So as you do hold Pepe, I'm not saying it's going to fail. I'm saying find your price points that you want to sell at, to take profit at. Take that profit. It doesn't have to be all of it. You could take some of it and then sit on the rest, or take all of it if you want to. But that's the idea. Pepe is there to make profit. It's not there to do anything as a cryptocurrency as of right now. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.